Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. We have Jared here.
Bob Ross.
Well, today Jared will be doing my makeup. He looks a little nervous. Yeah. I'm excited though. I think he'll do good. He watches most of my videos, so I feel like he should have an idea of what to do, and he's an artist, so we'll see. I have like tons of different options here for him, so he gets to choose out of which ones he wants to use and in which order and whatever, but yeah, this should be fun. It's not a scalpel. Take it away. Oh, and I feel like it's only fitting that I wear his sweater while he does my makeup.
Man! I don't know what to do. I know, like anything, we start with cleaning your face.
Oh, I already did that.
Okay, and then we prime it. So I know one of the things you like to use is your NYX like primer stuff, right? I don't know, I feel like I should have a brush in my hand.
Hi, I'm Bob Ross, and today we're going to be painting with Chanel.
The NYX color correcting primer base. So what do I do? Go ahead.
I can't tell you. You gotta do it.
Yep. I meant to. Meant to do that. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Who goes a long way with that?
Clearly. So next, I think you do like foundation, right?
Yeah.
So it's like building a house. You gotta lay the foundation first. So I feel like some of these things are what you use, right? It's a correction. I don't know. I feel like one of these are the foundation, right? Will you help me?
I will tell you that that's not foundation.
Oh, what's this? Fit Me foundation. I know you like to put it like on your back of your palm and then you rub it in. I don't know. Maybe I should have done some research before. Fine. I don't know what these mean. I'm gonna go with this one.
Oh, that's the dark one. It'd be looking real dark.
So then I'm guessing just. Wow.
Is it dark?
Yeah.
That's why I usually mix it. I'm like orange.
I know you gotta go down here. Well, that's so funny.
I look so orange. It's not your fault.
So this is your contouring stuff, right?
Yeah, it's another C word.
Concealer. So we need to put some concealer on, right? So. Go right there. Now, I think this is.
You're doing good.
Milani Make It Last setting spray. Do you pull or do you dab like this?
Dab it. Dab it, baby.
Concealed. So now, I think now that we do the concealer, we do your highlights. Right? Is it your eyeshadow? It's the powder stuff.
It's not my favorite, but that is, yeah.
That is the next step. So now, it's gonna be like one of these things, right?
What powder are you talking about?
Like this stuff.
Bronzer?
Bronzer. That's it.
What is it?
Becca Sunlit Bronzer. So now, I feel like it's gonna be one of these.
More it goes.
On your cheeks and then around your forehead.
Yeah. You do.
How do I know? I can't even tell, like, me putting this on.
It's probably because my foundation is orange.
Okay.
Does my forehead look smaller?
Yes.
Does it?
Yes. So now is your other highlight thing where you're like, do the baking.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
I feel like it's this stuff. So now, I don't know what I use for it though. I think one of these things, right? Or another one of these. Because I remember seeing you like.
That's right. Oh, did you want me to do that?
Yeah.
What next?
Contouring.
Bronzer with contour.
Oh, so I'm guessing maybe now is your eyebrows.
Yeah, you can do that.
So it's a eyeliner.
Did you even read it?
No, I'm guessing it was
You
a
should probably.
signature brow precision pencil. Ooh. So now you want them to go kind of all the same direction, right? Now you add the color to it, right? Is this where I design your eyebrow? This is gonna be fun. You're gonna look like Groucho Marx when I get done.
What does that even mean?
Where's the Google?
What?
I feel like I need to connect them now.
No,
They look like that
do not
NBA player.
connect them.
That one looks better than that one. No, I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
Okay, eyebrows did.
Ooh, what was that one? I could have used this thing?
Yeah.
Oh man, this was the cool one I wanted to try. Okay, next.
What's next? Are you waiting to get all of my face completed? Other than my mascara, eyeshadow.
This is a trick question. So it means I left something out.
Yeah.
What did I leave out?
My favorite part.
You said your favorite part was something else earlier.
I said I have two favorite parts. Bronzer,
Now-
bronzer, and something else.
Shimmer?
Oh.
Shellac.
That's nails.
That's not nails.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what you're talking about then. The only thing I can think of is now do you set your stuff?
You already said it.
What's the
Oh,
spray stuff
spray?
that you...
No, I'm not. I mean, you can, but that's not what I'm talking about.
So it's not... This is all mascara, right? I don't know. So it's this. Are these all the same stuff?
No, this is all the same stuff.
Okay, and this is different.
Yes.
I don't know what you're trying to say.
Why won't you pick up anything in that corner?
This right here. This is the shimmer.
It's not called shimmer.
What is it called? Let's read.
Pick up stuff and read.
Too Faced Canary Diamond. Seriously doesn't tell me what it is.
Highlight, babe.
I said highlight.
You said shimmer.
I said
You
highlight
did not.
earlier. So now I gotta pick one of the highlights. Let's mix them.
Oh, you can do that.
I think what I'll do is I'll use this Laura Geller highlight. And then I think we use one of these little guys, right? No?
No, babe.
Brightening brush. Well, yeah, this is it.
You can use that.
So this is to like highlight your cheekbones, right?
To make me glow.
So now, since I said I wanted to mix them, I'm gonna use the summer.
Okay.
So it will maybe accent more. I don't know what to do. You just stop.
Okay.
Well, that's totally a lot. I see the dust like flying off.
That's why my eyes are getting big, but
Your nose be glowing. So now is your eyeshadow.
are you done?
Damn, I messed up. Okay,
Eyeliner done?
I guess so. I feel like I used way too much.
Well, I think you only have like 2 steps left. So
Mascara, lips.
I'm a little nervous for this one.
Well, if you don't move your eyes. So now is last part is your lipstick, right?
Alright, is this your final look? I can look in a mirror and grade you?
It's definitely, I don't know why I did what I did. It's definitely a lot darker than what I...
That's why I was like, when you started off with the
Well,
darkest brown.
yeah.
Anything else want to add?
Yeah, I probably got an E at best.
Do you want to add anything? This is your last chance.
Yes. I'm gonna try to lighten up your eyes. I don't want to have you look like you got in a fight with like Holyfield.
You look better.
Yeah, that looks a lot better. I guess you can go look at it.
Alright, so you're done?
Done.
All right, let's look at his finished project.
I don't think it looks as good as like when you do it now.
Oh. Doesn't look terrible. It's pretty good. Dude, I got lipstick on my teeth. Man, I am glowing though. I mean, the only bad part is like my foundation, but we both knew that that was like way too dark to begin with.
You should do one where I'm drinking a beer while I'm putting on your makeup for you.
Honestly, I think you did a pretty good job.
It's a little darker than what I look like when you do it.
No, don't leave. You can't leave.
What?
We gotta do an outro. Where are you going? All in all, I think I would literally give you like an
You don't have
A
to.
minus.
No.
Yes.
No.
I think it's good. This is the first time you've ever done makeup, I hope. Who's actually? No, I seriously give you like an A minus. The foundation isn't your fault. So this was just something fun that we wanted to do to get our minds off of the whole coronavirus thing. And we found out today that we might not be having our wedding. If we do, it's gonna be like maximum of 50 people. So that kind of upset me and I just needed to get my mind off of it. So that's why we decided to have Jared do my makeup. I'm trying to convince him to let me do his makeup. So if you want to see that, give this video a big thumbs up.
No, it's all.
Do not tell him to thumbs me down. That's so rude.
No.
So rude.
Thumbs down on you doing my makeup.
No.
That will not happen.
You said the other night that
I
it would.
did not.
Yes, you did.
This was in your dream.
No, we were in the car and I said,
No.
I asked you and you said, you're not going to do that till you can make money off of videos. All in all, I think you did a very good job. Did you have fun?
No.
Yes, you did. You were so into it.
I was nervous.
Yeah, I could tell you were nervous. He's very OCD, so like he was just like panicking on what was next, if he was doing it right, what order it went in. So alrighty, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if it made you laugh, if you like these videos. Comment down below what you want to see next. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can get in on all my future uploads. And until next time, I will see you next time. Bye. Jared wants me to record what he was working with so people can understand why he was so confused.
Don't throw up rock and roll quotes.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Can I drive you to drink?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get some beer.